I chose the Conestoga program because it looked like the best one for the things I was interested in, which is sustainability. How can I contribute to making a difference in the world in my own small way? And this just seemed like the right place to be. My name is Grace, my pronouns are they, them, and I'm in the Renewable Energy Technique program. What is unique and exciting about this program is it's one of the only ones in Ontario that is dealing with renewable energies, and we're getting to work with technicians who are on the front lines, who have been in the industry for a long time. We're getting firsthand experience of what they've been doing and getting to carry that forward into our own potential careers. It's exciting. It has been a lot more theoretical than I expected, but there has been real benefits to that, getting to practice thinking in new ways. I also love that there is a hands-on component, and we get to work in group dynamics and also solo projects to see how far and how much we've actually come and learned. I have met some really amazing instructors, and there have been a handful that have really inspired me, particularly just to know that I can do more than I thought I could, and to see things differently. The classroom environment is really engaging. Sometimes it is very challenging, and it forces us to learn things that we didn't know that we could learn. I have a lot more confidence after doing this program. It has taught me that I can reach beyond what I thought was possible, and that certain fields that have been traditionally maybe more male-dominated, actually there's room for non-binary people and for female-bodied people as well in those fields. And I'm really excited to get out and be a part of them.